For my next video, I'd like to do one on a company ANGELHALO, ANGELHALO, and a smart LED strip of lights. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And we have all the tech specs, which we'll get into after the unboxing. So let's go ahead and open this up. We're greeted with the instructions. This is pretty straightforward. The app really does a lot of the work. Okay, nothing there. And we have our box of accessories, more or less, here. And the actual light. So it's a strip. There's the actual outside. There's remote control. It's an actual strip of lights. It's pretty neat. Small LEDs, and there's actual cut points on it if you want to cut it and you don't want it the full length, and it tells you where you can cut, obviously, and where you can't. And it's got 3M tape on the back, so it's sticky. You can put it inside of the container. So here we have another quick remote control. Power supply. More tubing information, screws. And then the actual kit for the outside, or the tubing I call it. So let's open this up, and there's all kinds of different ways you can do this. It has elbows that you can make squares and straight lines, and it's packed in here real tight. I'm trying to get one out to show you what it looks like. All right, come on. Okay, so there's the actual piece that the LED goes in, the housing. So pretty neat. And that is basically the unboxing. I wanted to show you here on this where, again, you can cut it. It shows actual scissor marks right there. So if I wanted to cut it and only make it that long, that's where you'd cut. So pretty neat. Okay, so so again, this is a company, ANGELHALO, and this is their smart LED strip of lights. It's RGBAI LED strip of lights that work with Alexis, smart color segmented control, cool and warm white light LED strip of lights with covers for skirting lines and home decor. This is a 16.4 feet. I believe they have a 32-foot version as well. So here's some tech specs on it. We have dimmable Alexa, Google Assistant, music sync, covers with 180 LEDs per meter. Softer lighting with a Cozier Ambiance. ANGELHALO LED strip lights with covers feature 180 LEDs per meter. Designed to create soft, uniform, and spot-free illumination that included LED channel optimizes the strip lights for decorative and accent lighting, enhance any space with gentle light. It's more focused lighting. Our LED strip lights features 180 LEDs per meter, provide exceptional brightness, ideal for indoor settings. With adjustable warm to cool white tones, they offer versatile lighting suitable for daily use and special accents, making it ideal for decorative and accent lighting. The advanced RGBAI Technology ANGELHALO LED strip lights are equipped with 20 customizable segments, allowing for unique color combinations with 40 scene modes. These lights are ideal for enhancing the ambience during special occasions, provided endless color options and scene settings for indoor lighting. It has flexible installation options. The LED diffuser channel is versatile for installation along skirting lines, ceilings, and cabinets. Use the complementary inner and outer corner pieces for a seamless setup in both the inner and outer corners, ensuring smooth and continuous lighting effects. Smart control at your fingertips. Easily adjust brightness, select scene modes, set timers, and modify color temperatures using the app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Additionally, these LED strips support voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, offering a convenient hands-free experience. Customizable length for creative designs. Tailor the LED strip lights to precisely fit to your space. They are cuttable and connectable up to 16.4 feet or 5 meters, allowing you to design the ideal lighting arrangement. Be sure to follow the provided cutting and splicing instructions to maintain functionality. So again, you want to cut them not just anywhere, but where I showed you on the actual LED strip. Okay, so that's our video on ANGELHALO's smart LED strip lights. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.